Hey there, y'all. I'm Melanie Ferguson with Southern Crush at Home, and I hope to inspire you to create and decorate a home that you love. Today, we are going to give you some exciting ideas to refresh your home. A lot of us are at home right now, and so we wanted to see if we could make it a little more fun for you. So I'm going to be the starter project, and this is a laundry room. It's my laundry room, and I'm going to show you an idea that I loved that really took my laundry doing to another level. So instead of boring laundry, now I have a fresh new look in here. So I started out with just my white washer and dryer. It doesn't matter if you have a top load or a front load, but I have one of each. And so this works best really on any color, but white is a really good color to start with. So I used these Redesign by Prima stencil transfers, and I will link them in my video for you guys. But I'm going to zoom in so that you guys can see what I'm doing. I'm adding transfers to the fronts of my units. So let me get it down here a little bit closer so you guys can see. All right, so I already put a strip of design along the bottom of my dryer and my washer, and I will show you pictures of it in a minute. So your design transfers will come on a sheet like this, and you just choose the transfers that you like best. I really liked these floral, the floral look. And you just start by slowly starting to take a section of I already got mine apart, but normally you would start by just taking a section at a time and rubbing the transfer off. They call it burnishing. I'm gonna put this one right here. Can you guys see it? Hold on, let me move this a little bit closer. Little bit closer, little bit closer so you can see. All right. I'm going to position it right about, I wanted to do a tilt, so I'm going to do it right about here. And I'm just going to start burnishing the design onto the surface. You want to make sure you get all of it on there. I'm going to try to get this angle a little bit better for you. There we go. So you want to make sure you get the design really good and removed from the transfer. You'll see there'll be a distinct difference between the way that it was on the transfer and the way that it comes off onto the surface. And I'm just going to wrap it on around the back edge, just so it looks like it's all in one piece. Sorry, it's like a chalkboard. Okay, so then you can slowly start peeling it back and seeing where you need to continue to rub. Now, this stencil, sometimes if you don't store them right, like mine was in heat and cold, it might come off in pieces. But with this design, this particular design, that's okay. Oh, there it went. It finally released. Seeing what we're getting over here. It's a process, but listen, you can get your kids to help you do the burnishing part. Make it a little easier on yourself. Make sure that all the pieces are flat. And just work the design back and forth until you have it completely released from the transfer paper. Okay. There is my finished design on the corner of the washer, and it really helps bring the two pieces together so that you can see them coordinate. So I could finish this out with some writing, guys. We could do some sort of stencil here with writing, but really it's just to get you guys inspired so that you do something fun for your laundry space. I think this is a way to spruce it up for spring and get it fun to do your laundry again. And I have an entire blog, step-by-step tutorial over on my blog, southerncrushathome.com. I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope that you'll try it for yourself. Bye.